Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the Momentum 4 is fully charged and running the latest firmware. This fixes hidden performance limits. Next, pair with the best available codec on your phone and select a high bitrate playback source, local lossless files, or premium streaming at 320 kbps or higher. Once done, set your phone and app audio output to high quality or disable aggressive battery audio modes. Because the headphones can only reproduce what you now shape the sound using Sennheiser's Smart Control. Start from a flat EQ so you hear the true response, then make small musical adjustments. Add a modest bass bump at 60 to 120 Hz for warmth, gently cut around 2 to 4 kHz to tame presence spikes, and lift upper mids or air around 8 to 12 kHz for clarity. Make sure phone-level effects like bass boost or enhancer are off. This preserves headroom and reduces distortion. You finish by optimizing physical and source factors. A proper seal and correct ear cup position change bass and imaging drastically, so adjust until bass is punchy but not muddy. If you want further improvement, try a wired USB-C connection or a small external DAC for lower noise and better dynamics. Finally, if sound is off, muffled, thin, or distorted, reset the headphones, repair, confirm the codec and bitrate, and update firmware. These steps solve most problems fast.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.